Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing on topic that is city creation basically. This is basically 12th number topic that is the one of the solution basically which is city creation. In this basically we are discussing about the 20 percentage error that basically connects how to the software industry basically. So one of the person told that basically 50 percentage people basically are still working from the home, and the people who are working from the office basically how they are checking each and every infrastructure basically it is created or not. So for that basically they designed one project basically that we have to discuss each and every projects this that basically we keep discussing up to what level. Few companies says that basically we have discussed up to 2.5 hours basically. After that basically some problem basically occurred to the body of the each and every human basically, each and every people basically who are doing the discussion, and that then basically they stop basically. But few people says that basically they basically were still basically going. In that basically few basically people got some disease basically. Few people got some disease. So that was the thing basically. And one of the person told that basically yes, here basically that happens basically. That is the problem of the infrastructure basically. So how basically the infrastructure basically are created? One of the person told that basically the infrastructure creation group basically are mostly who basically IT IT industry infrastructure. So one of the person told that that might be the nuclear power company and Russian group basically because they know that text box equal to 1,000 cities, and whatever things basically you are going to develop in the software industry basically, whatever project basically in this world basically whatever project that is going to connect to these all objects only. So one of the person told that basically how basically we can learn basically this, because nowadays the new generation basically are not able to understand this actually what the text box equal to 1,000 cities. So whatever project, for example, few companies are, for example, Capgemini company got the 1,000 projects of the CRM, payroll, everything basically. So they told that basically we got the project from the text box. Accenture company told that basically we got the 2,000 project. So they basically told that basically we got the project from the combo box. But the new generation is telling basically, yeah, we are not able to understand basically. So they one person basically from Capgemini told that basically you do one thing, create one new object basically in software industry and connect with this with the infrastructure basically. Like this only basically your problem is going to solve. That is basically the 50% people basically who are sitting at the home basically. That is one of the solution basically like this basically, but the risk basically are there basically. So you have to take the backup of entire software industry basically, then only basically you have to entire software industry basically, or basically you try to understand that basically what are the things basically which is created by the Russian, Canada, USA, Japan, China group basically, and Indian country basically, because India has in India basically lots of infotech park has created. So India has created, but the material mostly basically which basically has got basically that is from that is basically from text box equal to 1,000 cities. That 1,000 cities energy has taken as an infrastructure basically. 2,000 city equal to combo box. So that 2,000 city basically energy has used in the creation of infrastructure. So one of the person told that basically in Mumbai basically assume that basically 2 lakh buildings basically are there of the software industry. Software industry basically are working from there basically from the 2 lakh building, 2 to 3 lakh basically building. So which basically control basically are used, and is the basically the mixed control are used basically there. So one of the question basically this was also fine basically. One of the person asked, is only the text box energy are used in this building basically? Is only combo box building are used in this building? Is only checkbox energy basically are used in this building? Is only radio button data basically are used in this building creation? Is only push button basically are data are used in this building? Then he told that basically need to check here basically. That only Russian group only basically can tell. That also Russian nuclear power company group basically. Normal people basically can't tell that basically. Then one of the people told that basically the presidents and the prime minister basically this whole group knows that basically. Mostly people basically don't know basically. This all thing basically, because they are busy in some other work only, no, basically. They are visiting that country, they are doing the investment, they are creating the infrastructure, they are doing that, this, that, basically. So mostly basically each and every admin department basically of the Russian group, each and every group basically, and the news group basically, they basically knows each and everything basically. So one of the person told that basically to clear this error basically, there is two option basically. One of the option is adjust with the existing thing basically, that is text box equal to 1000 cities, understand that basically data, combo box equal to 1000 cities, or basically you create one new object that will is going to that will connect to the infrastructure basically, and that infrastructure basically you have to create. So that was basically the one of the person basically told that basically. So he told that like this basically you can create the thing basically, like this basically you can create the thing, like this basically you can create the thing basically, he told that basically. So he told that like this basically you can create the infrastructure basically. So like this basically you can create it basically. So like this you can create it. So text box equal to 1000 cities. 1000 cities. One of the person told that that building basically which is created really basically that is created from the text box equal to 1000 city energy basically, or is it basically that like that basically the mix object are used like text box, combo box, this, that basically. That basically is the very dangerous question basically which was asked actually. That was actually very dangerous question basically, because this is connecting directly to the business development design basically, how the business is given to the certain level of companies basically. If business is connecting like this, text box equal to 1000 cities, and basically the group basically who know that basically this building is only going to use for text box purpose basically, then basically the infrastructure would be like that basically, text box equal to 1000 cities. So the project basically are also divided like this only, 1000 cities basically, that is basically the text box basically. So project basically which this building has to give, that basically connect must be connecting to the text box only basically. So just see basically how the business development is basically created, and on the basis of the business development data basically the projects are given, and how basically the projects are basically done by the certain level of companies basically, that are the software companies basically, they are doing the project basically. So in this basically one of the person told that basically if that is created from the text box and the business development group basically has given the project to the particular people, then they will be responsible, the people basically who given the business development work basically, they will be responsible for anything basically is happening to that building basically, to that people basically. That's why basically people are not ready to take the risk only basically, people basically are not ready to take the risk basically. That's why basically half of the people basically are working still from home basically, because you don't know basically when which type of energy is going to generate. Text box is created from that building basically, and text box contained which all energies basically, that are the set of words basically which is going to be used in the text box. So one of the person told that basically, do we have the list of text box equal to 1000 cities? Then one of the person told that yes basically, that number one software company is having that, take that from that company basically. Then he told that okay basically. So like this basically we can able to calculate basically the buildings data basically. Then he told that yes basically we can able to calculate each and everything basically. So like this basically the software industry try to solve the problem basically, and text box equal to combo box, and few buildings basically were created as text box, combo box, checkbox equal to buildings. So like this also basically companies are created basically, that basically need to check basically how the infrastructure basically has created, because in future I am 100% telling you big issue is going to happen due to software industry if this problem is not getting solved in future basically. That basically the infrastructure basically who created the software industry, they will be responsible for the anything basically is going to happen in the future basically in IT industry, that are Russian, Canadian, American, Chinese people, Japanese people, and Indian people. They are will be responsible for universe basically, anything is happening in the universe related to IT industry. Next video basically we are going to see.